Hello, good morning and welcome to Not Just About Ducks with me, Angela. It's a beautiful sunny day. I know it's gorgeous. I've got my silly hat on. I've got lots to do. Sorry about that. I dropped a bit of lettuce. You know, and all lettuce is good lettuce where the ducks are concerned, and especially Miss Lucy. So the reason I'm not wearing my wellies, and which I should be wearing my wellies, my boots, because they're still lined and everything, is I've got an enormous, huge, very sore blister on the back of my foot. Yes. So I'm having to wear me the pink things. And anyway, there's the basket of lettuce. The ducks are eager. The clocks went forward last night or this morning. So technically I'm late, but I'm early, if you know what I mean. So anyway, let's go see the ducks. had our happy lettuce day, me, the ducks and the geese and you of course, and the chickens, and now I'm going to try and fit another hose in. So this hose will run from here and go along there and down the step there. I don't want to create a trip hazard, so it has to be done properly, and so I need it to run across there and down that side of the fence down there and then into the tunnel. So today I have a soaker hose coming, so I'm rushing to try and get things all done because we are due for bad weather next week or whenever. So yeah, I'll crack on with today's duties, isn't it, really? Things that I want to get done. The blusteriness has blustered up, and so it is quite windy. However, it's nice and warm. I was going to do a barbecue today, but unfortunately when I checked over the barbecue, there was a ruddy great hole in the bottom of the drum. Well, so I don't think it would have been a sensible idea to put coals in there, is all. I know there's a rack you put the coals on. However, I didn't realise that, so I've been putting coals right on the bottom, and yes, I never realised that you had to put the rack in and then put the coals on the rack and then light it. I didn't realise that. So yeah, I'll crack on with today's duties, and yeah, I'll bring you along so you can see what I'm doing, so you know what happens next, don't you? Yes, I'm going to fast it forward. So let's crack on with the video, and I'll show you what I'm doing. Yes, so yeah. Oh, by the way, it's Mother's Day today, the 27th of March 22. In the UK it's Mother's Day, so I would like to say, because it's Sunday today, it's Mothering Sunday in the UK, so it doesn't matter where you are in the world, and I know we celebrate ours differently to the other people in the world, but today is Mothering Sunday, so I'd like to wish all the mums out there in wherever you are a very happy, peaceful Mothering Sunday, and a special mention to my mum, a very happy Mother's Day to you, Mother. Yes, God bless her. So yeah, well, Kitty's come to visit, but she's not my kitty, as you know. So I'll crack on with today's yes, work video. She's gone in, she's had her dinner. Why am I feeding the neighbour's cat? I don't know, but anyway, I do. So there you are. Right, I'll crack on with today's video before we run out of battery. Yes, see you in a bit. So I cleaned the end of the hose, and now that gets pushed on there, like so. Nice and tight. That then should clip onto the doings. There. So that's nice and neat. I don't really want trip hazards. pipe I've got, I am now too short to go around there, which is a bit daft. I'm sure I had a bit that went all the way down there. Anyway, no matter. So I've got a hose pipe connector. This works. Well, I'll show you. That needs to go in the end of the hose and it will connect either side like that, so it creates like a nice tube. But first I have to sort my ends out, so I'll pop those by there a minute. And that I will be doing a double connector on the fence, and the reason it's not square, it's not the piping isn't level all the way down, is because the people that put the fence in, the connecting the 2x4s behind this are staggered, so I have to screw, for my neighbour's sake really, have to screw the screws into this 2x4 that runs down. Otherwise my neighbour's liable to, or her pets are liable to scag themselves on the screws, and I don't want to be doing that, do I? So you need a sharp knife, and you without blunting your end. There. These are new. They're Verve, and Verve is a make from B&Q. So what you do is you insert the hose in those teeth there, and then you screw the end on like so, and then can you see down there? Look, you can see right the way through, and then this bit goes in there, and that's your one section, and now I have to do the same. Woo! I have to do the same with this bit. I don't want to spill my screws. Pop that by there. So now I have to cut the end off. Put my knife away. And make sure it's nice and flat, which it's not. When I say nice and flat, I mean, you know, not a bit here and a bit there. The reason why I'm picking all the little bits up is chickens and ducks especially will eat anything that looks anywhere near tasty. So you put that end on first, then you slide that in. I quite like these, I gotta be honest. This is the first time I've used them. I mean, I was a bit iffy with them. And no, I'm not a snob. these are £3 each, and then the ends for the hose pipe that goes to your sprayer or whatever, they're £3.50 each. But they're a lot easier to fit than the hosel lock or whatever. And then they just click on there. And now I can carry on, so I'll make a nice bracket there, hopefully. Let's right. Oh, my knees. Oh, you know, getting old is a bit of a pain. But I'm glad I can do it. to think about this bit now, because I'm not sure how to move forward with this. I've either got to put, because that there is the irrigation system, the overhead irrigation system, but I don't really want to be using the overhead irrigation system when I've got tomatoes in here, because that will increase the likelihood of blight and things like that, fungus. So I'm not sure if I'm going to put a Take Me Anywhere tap there, or put a connector on the hose so I can put another connector on it, if you know what I mean. I don't know. I'm going to have to suss it out, and we'll see where we go from here. So I think that's enough in today's video. The 27th of March, Mothering Sunday. I'd like to thank my sons for all the cards I've had. Yes, you know who you are, all 5 of you. So I would like to thank you very much for my cards. And yes, anyway, I'd like to wish you all a very happy Sunday, happy Mother's Day. God bless you all. Please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed today's video. Thanks very much indeed for watching. Take care, stay safe, and as always, God bless. I have to wait for my soaker hose to arrive, but before I fit that, I need to suss out what I've got to do in here and give it a jolly good clean. Yes, so thanks very much. Stay safe. God bless. Love you all. Thanks very much indeed. Bye.